George, another massive journey at DoD with, well, I guess we're on JWCC. I hear about JWCC 2.0. I can't believe it. Give us a top line as to how you all are doing on the cloud journey.
Yeah, you got to start with JWCC as a Department of Defense. We're,
Absolutely.
we're we're a conglomerate. You look at the department, there's the different services. It's a huge organization. JWCC streamlined access to the cloud, so giving us a consistent contract across four of the major cloud service providers, giving us access to their complete portfolio to service all the different department security levels of our networking environment. So JWCC's been at a great start. We thought it would take a little bit while to ramp up, but it has hit 1.3 billion in cloud revenue,
Wow.
being used across all of the services. Um, it's just been a huge success, and I'll defer to Jeff of the DISA team on how they're putting cloud offerings together. What we're looking at now is taking that JWCC baseline, giving the access to the cloud, and looking at how we do consistent experiences for all of the different users of the cloud in the department. Primarily the cloud service offices at the different military departments. So the Army, Navy, Air Force, they've all got service offices that are offering things like the security services. So you get to the cloud, then you have to build a security environment around it. You want to look at how you're optimizing the cloud spend. So cloud is very different than on-premise, the way that we look at financing, the way that we allocate money and use those resources. So financial operations, big push to the department to get consistent financial operations for visibility, understand usage, understand how we surge and how we sort of balance across it. A lot of work in those cloud services offices to look at the legacy programs and help transition legacy programs consistently onto the cloud. So we're looking at how that operation is done across the different services in the portfolio. And then we're trying to automate things onto the cloud. So things like when you get a cloud account, you want to build a dev environment, a test environment, production environments, move things, secure all those. We want to do that through automation. So big effort on infrastructure as code templates to go from getting a cloud contract to having an operational, functional cloud environment as fast as possible. And then the last piece I just want to share is as we're looking at cloud, your real transition now is software modernization and how we use the cloud, how we deliver capability onto the cloud, how we use the cloud to deliver capability that goes past the cloud into tactical environments, weapon systems. So huge work in the cloud software factory portfolio that's being managed across all of the department. Things like the Navy portfolio, focusing on how the ships and communications work, in the Army with the tactical environment, with the Air Force and all the different airframes. So lots of work on making cloud the baseline for what we're doing, plus the future for how we actually operate software in the department.